Alright, so the bike is a couple years old. I'm just going to check the chain here. It's almost time to change it. It doesn't drop all the way down in there, but I think it's close enough. We'll go ahead and swap it out. Alright, so here we are. After checking a couple toolboxes, I found what I'm looking for. Just slide this in here and squeeze that together. And it should. There we go. I don't quite know why it's doing that. So the new chain is longer. It's longer by that much. Alright, so I've never actually really done this before. I've got this tool, and I believe I'm just going to set that down in there and make sure. So that's the one we want to get rid of. So we just set that down in there, and then chain is ready to go on. So that was on this sprocket. I probably should have put it on the smallest sprocket first. I'm not sure. So we'll figure this out. Trial and error. There's a way to lock. Okay, there's a little lock on the side there that keeps the derailleur in. Ow! Well, that wasn't it. There's a little catch. Okay. Let's see what that does. Well, that cog is pretty nasty. Actually, both of them are pretty nasty. Somebody's weed eating, making their place look nice and messing up my video. Oh well, I guess it's better to have a nice looking place than a quiet video. I believe. I didn't really look at it before I started, but pretty sure that goes like that. Huh. Whoops. Okay, you can tell I've never done this before. This has to go over here. Then this has to go in here. I'm thinking that looks right. Does that look right? Pretty sure that's right. I probably should have took a picture before I started. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Alright, so that's not good, and I lost oh no, I didn't. I thought I lost one of my links. So let's see if that's right. So I've got a pin over here. I'll put that there. Okay. So now I believe all I have to do is lock up my brakes and put pressure on the pedal to lock that in place. That's the link. I'm going to put pressure on the pedals and set the brakes, and that should snap into place. Hey, what's happening, Lisa? Lisa came out to help. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. So anyway, looks like anybody can swap out a chain. Maybe. I'll see what happens after I ride it. Alright, so the tool that I used to break the chain is a little multi-tool that I keep in my backpack. It's Toe Peak, and it is the Alien 2 model. It's pretty nice. It's got a bunch of wrenches, quite a few Allen wrenches, a chain brake tool. It's got a nut driver. It's got some other stuff. So. All right, the chain's on. It seems to work fine. Today I'm using WD-40 dry lube. We'll see how that goes. I'll just run it through to get the heavy stuff off. That looks good. And that's it. And right there's the new chain link, and the new chain has been installed. Good deal. Thanks for watching my video, and until next time, see ya.